Hi everyone, I welcome you at my channel, Deepak Sabnani's YouTube channel. So today we'll solve one more problem. This problem has been asked in GATE 2023 and this problem belongs to engineering maths calculus. Okay, let's solve this. Let's solve this. So this is a very good question which has been asked in GATE. This question is from multivariable function, double integration of multivariable function. You can see multivariable function xy is given here, okay? And as it is a multivariable function kind of f of x comma y, so its domain is actually a plane. For single variable integration, domain is a line. For multivariable function, domain is a plane. You can see a plane is given. This plane is formed by four lines. प्लेन आपका देखो चार लाइन से बनाया है इसने. You can see y equal to x, y equal to minus x, 2 plus x, and y equal to minus x. Okay, now this kind of problem can be solved by multiple methods. I'll show you one. That is, what I will do, I will divide this area into two parts, A1 and A2. Okay, because they both are symmetric. And now what I can do, I can take two strips, two vertical strips. This is one strip, this is another strip. Okay, somebody can use horizontal strip also, but if you will take horizontal strip, then you're not able to cut. You can see all the curves are not able to cut by that. So if you really want to take horizontal strip, that also I'll explain. Let me solve by this, then I explain that part also. Okay, now, so limit for this area A2, limit of y will be y vary from x to 2 minus x. For another part, limit vary from minus x to x plus 2. But what is the limit of x? For limit of x, you need to find these 2 points. Okay, so what is this point? This is nothing but common point of y equal to x and y equal to minus x plus 2. Common point means at this point, value of y will be same. So x equal to minus x plus 2, that is 2x equal to 2, that is x equal to 1. And when x equal to 1, along y equal to x, y is equal to 1. So this point is nothing but 1 comma 1. From symmetry, this point nothing but this is y equal to 1 but x equal to minus 1. So minus 1 comma. Now you can solve the integration. So I is equal to double integration. I'll take both the parts. One this area, then y vary from minus x to x plus 2 or 2 plus x, and x vary from minus 1 to, at y axis x is 0, minus 1 to 0, and x y. Now this is limit of y, so dy first, then dx. Plus, now if we solve second part, this will be, it varies start y start from x to 2 minus x, x start from 0 to 1, 0 to 1, x y dy dx, because y limit we are keeping first. Now if somebody want, he can write in terms of x also, but for x you need to consider two parts. Like you draw a line here, then one strip you have to draw here to trace the function x plus 2 and minus x plus 2, and one strip you take here something there, so that will take care of y equal to minus x and x. Okay, so this will be area A1 above the dotted line and below will be A2. So A1 you can integrate from x equal to y minus 2 to x equal to 2 minus y, and this will be integrated from y x equal to minus y to y. Okay, then you can get the same answer. Okay, so now what you can do, you can simplify it. This is a very simple integration. So because here I am, my aim is to, so that my aim is that all of you can understand, so I'll solve very slowly. So how to solve this 2D integration? If you're solving with respect to y, keep all x terms constant. So this will be minus 1 to 0, x I'm taking out. So y square by 2, y is y square by 2, limit minus x to x plus 2 dx, plus this is 0 to 1, again x you take constant, y square by 2, and x2 2 minus x dx. Now you can put the values of y. So minus 1 to 0, this is x here. Half you can take outside. So x plus 2 is square minus of minus x square, that is plus x square dx. Half again you can take outside here. 0 to 1 x 2 minus x square minus, in place of y you are substituting x square. Now it is a simple one-dimensional integration. Everyone can solve this. This is half minus 1 to 0 x. So step by step I'm solving. Why? Because you can able to understand this. That is what the motive. X square plus 4x plus 4 minus x square. So you'll get 4x plus 4 dx plus half 0 to 1 x. This is 4 plus x square minus 4x minus x square. Minus x square and x square cancel out. So here you will get 4 minus 4x dx. Now, if you want, you can integrate here, or you can submerge some limits. Minus 1 to 0 and 0 to 1 is available. You can drop it. You can make it two parts, make it also two parts. Or if you really want to simply want to solve it, you just multiply with x and simplify the integration. So half 1 to 0, this will become 4x square plus 4x dx plus half, this will become 4x minus 4x square dx. Okay, so here you can see plus sign for both 4x, so that 4x wala I can combine. So 4x minus 1 to 0 and 0 to 1 with plus sign, so it will become minus 1 to 1 4x plus this will be minus 1 to 0 4 minus 1 to 0 x square dx minus 4 0 to 1. This you cannot combine. If there is addition, then only you can combine. Or if you want, you can simply solve it. That is not a problem. This can be solved by multiple methods. This is a very simple 1D integration. Anyone can solve it. Now this is an odd function. So odd function with symmetric limit will give you 0. Minus a to a fx dx is 0 when fx is odd. It is double of fx if fx is even. Okay. So 4, just now integrate it. X cube by 3, 3 I am taking outside. Minus 2 0 minus 4 by 3 x cube 0. So half is outside. 4 by 3 I can take out. 0 minus of minus 1 cube. It is minus of minus 1, that is plus 1. Minus, and here 1 minus 0, that is 1. Because 4 by 3 are already taken out. So 1 and 1 will cancel out. Answer will be 0. Answer will be 0. Okay. So simply you can solve it. Simply I think we can solve it. Okay. So these kind of questions can be simply solved if you know the method, if you know how to apply the method, right? So basically I have solved it with vertical limit. If you want, you can solve it with the horizontal limit also. But you need to consider a1 and a2 above the dotted line. Okay. So I hope this question is clear to everyone. Thank you for watching the solution.